Your competitors have backlinks pointing to dead pages. This free tool finds broken backlinks so you can steal them. This tool behind me finds competitors' 404 pages that still have backlinks, verifies that they're actually broken right now, and shows you who's linking to them. And all of it's for free. Let me show you how you get this tool. First things first, you might be wondering who I am. I'm Ronald Osborne, the founder of Osborne Digital Marketing, an award-winning international SEO agency. I've beaten the best in the SEO game, hence the awards. And if you want to learn more about digital marketing, follow along. The way you'll get this broken link locator, this broken link vulture, I call it, you'll simply go across to my website here, the Osborne Digital Marketing one. You'll click on this button here, or you'll go to the link in the description. You'll scroll down past all of these free tools. There's a lot to scroll down, so your fingers might get sore, but you get all of them when you sign up. This broken link finder. Now, this specifically is going to help you find and build broken backlinks, because broken backlinks are just easy links. If everyone here would get those emails, hey man, I want a backlink from your website. Just like, I've got some relevant content. Cool. I'm not doing something for someone like that unless it's extremely relevant and it's a mate. That's how I work. Or they offer you, they entice you to do it. Now, when it comes to yourself, the difference with broken links though, is the link is broken. So as an example, Google's seeing that, hey, there's an actual problem with this page. You've got this page index, but when we click on it and we go across to it, there's nothing there. It's not working. It's not anything of value right now. And the reason this is really beneficial for you is because you can reach out to the website owner and go, hey mate, you've got a page here that should be around. Like, I've put in Moz as an example, so a competitor to myself. And I can show you exactly how this tool works, but I'll give you the overview first. So we put in Moz as an example, a competitor to you maybe. You can put in how long you want this to be. Do you want it to be up to 1,000? That's a maximum that we've got. Now, the way you set it up is obviously you need the data for SEO. I will have a link to the data for SEO API access set up here because you get a free $1. So this is free. This is completely free. Now, the more of you that go through this affiliate link for me, the more I can sit there and say to Nick, the founder of Data of SEO, hey, mate, I've got like 40 people signed up through my link, 50 people. We want to push that to $2. We want to push it to $3. So you guys will get more free things. So please use my link. Like I said, if you don't spend anything, okay, cool, bananas. But the idea is the more weight we have, the more voice I can sit there and say, mate, I was able to bring in X amount of people. Triple digits is good. And that way we can sit there and say, no. We want, the Osborne Digital Marketing community wants a little bit more bang for their buck. So please use the link, all right? I'll make sure that that's embedded in there. And you can see here, the way this works is it crawls your site, your competitor's site. It finds 404s. Okay, so if we open up this page, boom, 404. But it might be something where there's links out there on the internet. So as an example, the way this works, let's just open up. I'll show you with this page right here where there's a link coming from the GitHub. So if we go across back, so this is the referring page. That's this page right here is pointing to this page. Okay, so this page is pointing to this page on my competitor's site. Now we can look simply by going to the anchor text as well. So you can copy this, and this is why I love this. And again, this is not paid. There's tools out there that you literally have to pay $100, $300 a month for, and this is free. Control F, boom, there it is. So if we click on that bad boy, it's that link. So immediately we've just found a link. Okay, so let me show you how to use the tool. It's super simple. Like I said to you, go and get your data for SEO. You need to API. All you need to do is input your login password, your email right here, and then you input the API code that they'll give you right here. Alas, done. Then you'll go over to the link vulture. All right. This is the cell that you'll input your competitor in. Now, I would suggest for smaller websites, like if you're talking a local roofer out in the middle of Sebring, someone small, someone in a very small area, the likelihood that they've got 404 pages isn't going to be high. But someone with a bigger website, like you're talking about your Miamis, you're talking about the bigger cities with the bigger websites where they've got 500 pages, chances are there's some 404s on. Just as an FYI, you can set this to be whatever you want it to be. 50, you can set it up to even more. But you can see that 50, according to just an estimate, that cost me what? 2 cents, 3 cents. Sorry, 3 cents to scrape that. But like I said, you get $1 for free. And I just found 50 possible links. See how valuable this is. So that's how it works. Pulls in a bit of PageRank as well, so you can come across here and look at the main metrics. That's where this is really awesome. Shows you the status, shows you the first scene, last scene. That's a little bit, just cool. Do follow, no follow, yes, no, yes, no. All right. And then you can also come over here to the outreach and you can go not contacted, contacted, not appropriate. So you can set it, go, I don't want a link from the GitHub page. Why not? But maybe you don't want that link. So you can actually change the outreach status to not appropriate. So this is all about building the SOPs. And as you guys know, hey, if you're hanging around, you've enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. There's a lot of viewers that are new and guys, free. Free. So these are all the types of links that you can see you could go out there and actually get, right? Now, really easy. Put in whatever website you want in here. Moz, put in up to 50. Let's jump it out to 75. Let's see if 75. Once you've done that, we'll come up the top here. You can clear the results if you want, or you just hit the scan for broken links. Now, it might take a minute, and you'll need to authorize the sheet, and that's it. And as you can see just down here, I'll let you know, it'll show the steps down here as it's progressing along. So you've got a nice little status bar down here as well. You can see the 2 out of 3, it's verifying stuff as well, because I don't want you to have nonsense. I don't want you to have bad leads. Now, sometimes there might be a 404 page that isn't a 404, but with the filtering that I built in this back end of this system, that's free, it's awesome. Now, I just want to give a bit of advice whilst I'm here. Please, if you're enjoying this value, if you really like all of these awesome sheets that I put out there, the least I ask for is put some comments into the description of the YouTube video and put some likes on there. If I keep seeing likes and if I keep seeing awesome things like that, I'm going to keep putting these out. If I don't see the comments come in, if I don't see the likes come in, I'm going to stop doing the free stuff. That's the honest truth. So couple more months of me doing free stuff. If I can get the videos going a bit more, if I can get more engagement from you guys, I'll keep doing the free stuff. If I don't, I'm putting everything behind a paywall. So please help me reach more people. Help me spread the word if you find it helpful. That's all I ask. All right. So when this came back up, I do apologize. I actually had forgotten to record it. But when this stuff came back up, it actually showed that there were only 22 verified. So that is why there's 22 verified unique URLs for the Moz. So even though you set 75, even though you might set 100, doesn't mean that that's actually going to work. Now, the pros and cons of using and trying to find broken links is the massive pro of building broken links as your backlink strategy is the fact people are more susceptible saying yes. They're more likely to sit there and go, okay, yeah, I've got a broken page. Okay, there's a link pointing to a broken page. That's not good for my website. It's not good for the visitors on my website. And he's got something just as relevant and just as enticing. Yeah, the likelihood that you'll get the link is so much higher than when everything's fine because there's a problem. You're providing a solution to a problem. The con of it is the fact that when it comes to finding 404s, it can be quite time consuming. So trying to build broken links off, like I said before in the example of smaller websites, is actually quite time consuming. That's where it does become quite annoying. But the good thing for you is as long as you're looking at more established websites, larger websites, things that are in larger demographics where the city is actually a bit bigger than 100,000, 200,000 people, chances are that the website's going to have multiple pages on it, hundreds of pages. that's when 404s start to pop up. Like I said, guys, if you want all of this stuff, just go over, join, click the link, join the Facebook group as well if you have any questions. All right, join the Facebook group. It's free, and I actually record nice little videos and drop it in there as, hey, also do this and check out this, and this is what I'm seeing. And when I come across things, I drop nice little bits of information in there that I'm not going to make a YouTube video about. So enjoy the Facebook group. Reach out to me, whether you're a digital marketing agency, business owner looking to do more with SEO or digital marketing, you can always book a free chat with me, discovery call. I provide solutions, not problems. So I guarantee if you book a call with me, you're going to tell me the issue that you're facing. I'm going to tell you a solution. Then we work together, we work together. If not, so be it, but you'll walk away with a solution. Like I said, like and subscribe, and I'll see you around, legends. Cheers.